Muhammad Ghori innovation multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Muhammad Ghori's real name. Alauddin Hussain, Jahan e Sauch, Shianuddin Muhammad Sham, Jahanuddin Hussain. Answer C is correct. Shianuddin Muhammad Sham. Muhammad Ghori was the target of Indian innovations, occupying territory in India, establishment of the Muslim kingdom, the spread of Islam. Answer D is correct. All right. Commanders of Muhammad Ghori: Qutbuddin Aibak and Bakhtiyar Khilji, Alauddin Khilji and Qutbuddin Aibak, Bakhtiyar Khilji and Alauddin Khilji, Iltutmish and Qutbuddin Aibak. Answer A correct. Qutbuddin Aibak and Bakhtiyar Khilji. Question number 4. On whom was Ghori first invaded? A. Multan, Indus region, Gujarat, Punjab. Answer A is correct. Multan. The Battle of Mount Abu was fought between whom? Ghori versus Paramara Devudu, Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan, Ghori versus Bhima II, Ghori versus Lakshmana Devudu. Answer C is correct. Ghori versus Bhima II, Mount Abu was fought between. Ghori defeated by Bhima II. Ghori defeated Bhima II in 1178 AD. Okay. The first battle of Tarain was fought between whom? Ghori versus Paramara Devudu, Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan, Ghori versus Bhima II, Ghori versus Lakshmana Devudu. Answer B is correct. Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan. Ghori defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan. So answer B is correct. Question number 7. The second battle of Tarain was fought between whom? The second battle of Tarain. Ghori versus Paramara Devudu, Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan, Ghori versus Bhima II, Ghori versus Lakshmana Devudu. The answer B is correct. Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated by Ghori. So, right answer is B in 1192 AD. Another name of the Battle of Tarain. Another name. A. Battle of Staneshwar, Battle of Taimur, Battle of Rewar, Battle of Mount Abu. Answer A is correct. Battle of Staneshwar. Chandawara War or battle was fought between whom? Ghori versus Paramara Devudu, Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan, Ghori versus Jayachandrudu, Ghori versus Lakshmana Devudu. Answer C is correct. Ghori versus Jayachandrudu. Jayachandrudu defeated by Ghori in the year of 1194. So answer C is correct. Which Hindu city was destroyed by Ghori after battle of the Chandwar? A. Staneshwar, B. Rameshwar, C. Varanasi, D. Kasi. Kasi is right answer. Ghori printed gold coins with a dash image on one side of the coins. A. Saraswati Devi, Lakshmi Devi, Durga Devi, Kali Mata. Answer B is correct. Lakshmi Devi image on one side of his coins. Which of these Vishwavidyalayas or universities was destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji? Nalanda, Vikramashila, Uddampur. All right. This is all right. Nalanda University, Vikramashila University, Uddampur universities was destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji. Question number 13. Ghori's brother's name. Qutbuddin Aibak, Bakhtiyar Khilji, Irfan Habib, Ghiyatuddin. Answer D is correct. Ghiyatuddin, Ghori's brother. Another name for the Battle of Mount Abu. Kamadara War. It's not Kamadara, Kayadara. YA is correct. Kayadara War, First Tarain War, Second Tarain War, the Chandwara War. Answer A correct. Kayadara War. Spelling mistake. YA is correct. Kayadara War. Which of the following is correct regarding Ghori considered Turkish slaves as his heirs because he had no heirs of his own. Yes, this is right. In 1194, Gori invaded Kannauj, defeated Jayachandran. Okay, this is right. And invaded North Indian. And also, okay, this is also right. First in the Battle of Tarain or Staneshwar, Gori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and occupied Delhi and Ajmer. This is wrong. Gori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan is not correct. Prithviraj Chauhan defeated by Gori. This is right. So the statement is wrong. The main reason for Muhammad Ghori's success was the lack of cooperation between the sons of the king. Yes, this is also right. So answer 1, 2 and 4. B is correct. The title bestowed on Muhammad Ghori by the Khalifa Jihasad Jahan-e-Sauj Shianuddin Muhammad Alauddin answer. Answer A correct. Jihasad. Jihasad title bestowed on Muhammad Ghori by Khalifa. Question number 18. A book describing Ghori's achievement. Kitabul Hind, Tariq-e-Hind, Tariq-e-Yamini, Tabaqat-e-Nasiri. Answer D is correct. Tabaqat-e-Nasiri. Book describing Ghori's achievements. Question number 19. The first ruler of Ghori dynasty. Alauddin Hussain, Minhas Siraj, Muhammad Ghori, Shianuddin Muhammad. Answer A correct. Alauddin Hussain was first ruler of Ghori dynasty. Question number 20. Who is the author of the book Tabaqat-i-Nasiri describing Ghori's conquests? Minhas Siraj, Al-Biruni, Utbi, Firdausi. Answer A correct. Minhas Siraj, the author of the book of Tabaqat-i-Nasiri. Which of the following is correct regarding Bakhtiyar Khilji? He is the brother of Muhammad Ghori. Is not correct statement. Muhammad Ghori's slavers, Bakhtiyar Khilji and Kutubuddin Aibak. So this statement was wrong. He conquered Bengal and Bihar. Yes. Then the ruler of Bengal, Lakshman Singh. Yes, this is right. Bakhtiyar Khilji left Islam and converted to Buddhism. This is absolutely wrong statement. University destroyed by Khilji, Nalanda, Vikramshila, Udhampur and Sompur University. Yes, this is right. Answers are 2 and 4. So C is correct. 2 and 4. Which of the following is correct regarding the wars fought by Muhammad Ghori? First one. Made his first invasion and victory over the city of Multan in 1175 AD. Yes, this is right. King of Solanki Bhima II was defeated by the Battle of Mount Abu in 1178 AD. This is also right. Prithviraj Chauhan defeated in the Second Battle of Tarain in 1192 AD. This is also right. In the Battle of Chandwar in 1194, okay, the Gori invaded Kannauj, defeated Jayachandran, okay, and invaded North Indian. This is also right. So answers are all are correct. So answer D is correct. All of the above. Objective Adda 337. Important battles in Ghori dynasty. Exam perspectives, this table was very important. So here battle name who's between. The first one is 1178 AD Mount Abu or Kayadara battle between Ghori versus Bhima II. Ghori defeated by Bhima II. Ghori win, Bhima II win, Ghori defeat. This is the first one. And second one is 1191 AD. First Tarain or first Staneshwar. Go, between Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan. Ghori defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan. Third one is 1192 AD. Second Tarain or second Staneshwar. Ghori versus Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan defeated by Ghori. Yes, Ghori is Prithviraj Chauhan. The fourth one is 1194 AD Chandwara battle between Ghori versus Jayachandra. Jayachandra defeated by Ghori. This is the important battles in Gauri dynasty. So please subscribe Objective Adda 337. Thank you.